This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Karen Pitkin. Beautiful location on the south end of Woodview Hills in Eastern Monroe County. The 1,560 square feet cedar-sided home needs some trim repair, flooring and cosmetics, but is habitable as is. Roof is 4 years old, crawl space has been conditioned, newer washer and dryer, updated electrical panel and subpanel and garage, new sliding door. There are 3 BRS, 1 bath. A second bath was converted to a study, adjacent to the main bedroom. One could change that if desired. There is a large, serviceable detached garage/shop on the 0.74 acre lot. Peaceful place to watch wildlife and enjoy stargazing. Lovely views stretch for miles beyond the treed perimeter. Super low taxes.